Ebi byagambwa Reverend Akore Birungi Herbert Atwoki obu yaba naburira ha kanisa ya St Paul Church of Uganda Kitumba omuri Fort Portal Central Division Erizoba.
Konagamba mtimisiwe yokubanza sura mukago rwa musanju. Tareka kitu musi. There's nothing we came with. Nothing. Completely nothing. And by the way, if you don't know, you will again go back with nothing.
Omushija wa Mukamugu nagira ngo abantu bine kusima habwe bintu ebi no munsi. Ogu nayongera agira ngo nibinja batine mugisha gwo kutunga. Ngo nahabwe cyo muntu yarugayo mubinja akagira iki yatunga ayine kusima Mukama.
How prepared are you to reach God and God asks you ngakuteka munsi for the journey of life of a message na kwaile? How have you used it yourself? How beneficial have you been to the society?
Oguhona yabereka umugasho gw'umuntu kusima Mukama agumize ngo nicwera hanyekereza ye nukwe kushaba bayetabo mu kushaboku okukora cyone kiri kubasika okugumana basima Ruhanga.
Amasire gukora byone byakuzere aheriza abantu Samuel yagambira abana b'Isirayeli hano no Ruhanga yakoraki hano Ruhanga yakoraki gambo hano Ruhanga yatwikiya hano Ruhanga yakoraki kigambe kimugambe beneza kimanyisa hano Ruhanga yatwikiya. This far the Lord has brought us.
Omukushaboku ona kwayetabwa mwe kumene nkomeza abantu aba bashendekerize Dr. Karungi Dafeni owaba nasima Mukama ahabwe bye byamurabizemu. Aba barete birabo bitari bimwe na bimwe nko muringo gumwe gwo kusima Ruhanga.
Mbona familia yange niyensendekerize biza kusima Ruhanga. Kusimira Ruhanga bintu binge muno uyabo gwire Ruhanga nowe namanye kinda mutima gwange kana amanye kimusimira.
Dr. Dafeno hereze kujaguza amazarwa ge hona yakoresa umugisho gwo kushara ke ko mu kaniseji kandi yagaburira bona abayetabo mu kushabuko.
Naito twagamba nangwa chale mu birthday week o month genda kuleta cake hano tugisale itwena tusharinge nka family.
Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwire.